This is Blue, a character from some Roblox game. First, my son wanted me to make him a chair, this sort of throne that he sits on. So I just made it out of cardboard and spray painted it. I've made a bunch of toys for the kids out of cardboard. Here's a Harry S. Truman I made about 5 years ago. Let me know if you want me to make a video about this guy. Anyway, back to Blue. Next, my son asked me to make him a paraglider. It's hard to say no sometimes. It's just your classic garbage bag, string, duct tape, balsa design. So let's give this thing a whirl.
Go. Whoa!
Not bad. Thanks for watching.
What ocean? This one?
Yep.
Pacific Ocean.
Oh, okay. And where are you sailing through?
I'm sailing there to
Which ocean are you sailing through?
Arctic Ocean
To get over Asia?
and then to the Atlantic Ocean, right to where our planes
Okay.
are.